Hi everyone, my name is Fajimaina and I am a North Scientist at NASA Goddard. I'm originally from Niger, a country in West Africa. I use high-performance computing systems and mathematical models together with satellite data products to understand the impact of climate change on water resources. I have worked to understand the impact of climate change on water resources in Africa, Niger and my own country, but also the Sahel region in general, in France, in Italy, and in California in the United States of America. Today, I use mathematical models and technology together with satellite data products from NASA to understand the impact of climate change on the water cycle in high mountain Asia. We live in a climate change area. We can see it. We can experience it. We know that climate change is real. We might be indeed very unfortunate to live in that era. Our life is changing. But we are very fortunate to have technology. We are very fortunate to be part of the technology era. And we know that we can use that technology to address our issues and to improve our lives. So today, I would like to use that technology as a future generation, as that generation that's going to experience more climate change and its impact to address this issue. When we think about climate change, we can think about wildfires. Wildfires in Australia, wildfires in California. Wildfires are becoming devastating and they are increasing in both frequency and impacts. We know that this is real, and we know that these wildfires are going to increase in the future as a response to climate change. In 2018, the United States of America experienced its costliest natural disaster in its history, and that disaster was created by wildfires in California. We need to change. We need to think about solutions. We need to think about the next generation. We need to think about our children and our grandchildren. We need to think about the world in which our children are going to live and our grandchildren. So today, I would like you to use technology to think about how are you going to address wildfires issue. I would like you to think about a new technology or new methodology or a new application that will use all this technology method that we do have, such as machine learning and other analysis and databases that we do have to predict, to detect, and to better understand wildfires. So to recapitulate, here's your challenge. You use technology, machine learning, and many other approaches that you do have, together with the tremendous data set that we do have, to be able to create an application that will allow us to predict, to detect, and to better understand wildfires and its impact. The second thing that we can think about when you think about climate change is floods. Billions of people across the world are experiencing floods. And floods today happen in many countries. It can be either a dry country in the Sahara, like my own country, Niger. Also in high mountain Asia, in Europe, or the United States. In all countries around the world, we are experiencing floods. And we know that these floods are going to also to increase in the future. And again, we need to think about the future world, the world that we are going to live for our children, our grandchildren. We need to think about how are we going to improve our lives and how are we going to live in a world that flood will become like not something normal. So the second challenge that I have for you is to be able to create a methodology on an app that's going to use all the machine learning approaches and all the approaches that we do have to be able to better understand floods and to track floods. How can we better track floods using technology? That's your second challenge. I'm very looking forward to listening to all your new ideas. I'm pretty sure that you can do this. You are the future generation. You are the generation of technology, but also, unfortunately, as I said, the generation of climate change. We need to address climate change issue. We need to change our world, and we know that technology will allow us to do so. Thank you very much, and best of luck for all of you.